Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. The last 24 hours have been absolutely amazing for Ripple and XRP. We got to find out the discovery dispute verdict between Ripple versus the SEC, and it favors Ripple. This is something I talked extensively in my previous video. I highly suggest you to go and check it out to know all the details regarding that, and I will be linking it in the description box below. So a lot of really good things, but obviously, as you guys already know, we need something really major for it to impact on the price. So in today's video, we'll be looking at is XRP price on the verge of a breakout. Now, specifically talking about this XRP price, we'll be focusing on a bit longer term, not really short term. That's why we'll not be looking at technical analysis, but we'll focus more on the human sentiment, on what the human factor is. Because of my experience in the world of crypto, I have realized that the human factor, that the news related to XRP, that impacts way more than any other technical indicator or moving averages. So we'll be focusing on that today, and today's video is a very interesting one. And obviously we have the XRP giveaway winner. I'll be announcing it near the end of this video, so make sure to stick with me until the end to know if you are the winner of the 500 XRP giveaway. But before doing all of that, let's take a look at the price of XRP today. The world of crypto did have a slight rebound today. Now, a lot of people are not really going to talk about it because these were in a single digit. People don't really care unless it is in the double or triple digits. Now, specifically talking about XRP, well, XRP did pretty good in the last 24 hours, and this was all thanks to the summary we got, the verdict we got from the judge. At the time making this video, it is trading at around $0.98, an increase of about 12%, 13% compared to yesterday, and an increase of 14% compared to 1 week ago. So if you're looking at the daily position, the lowest point in the last 24 hours was at around $0.86. Since then, the price of XRP has increased, and in the last basically about a couple of hours, it really has gone up. And today we saw the price of XRP went as high as around $1.02. It actually crossed that $1 mark, but since then it has slightly decreased. So a lot of people were saying that, hey, if the price of XRP is able to cross this $1 mark, people are going to take profits, and this is exactly what we saw today. Not only that, the good thing here is that the price of XRP is above that $0.88 critical support level. So again, things are pretty good. Now, if you're specifically talking about the daily chart here, the summary stands at a neutral point, moving averages at a buy and technical indicators at a strong sell, and most importantly RSI at a sell position. We are seeing that this daily position at a neutral point for the first time in a couple of days, because for the past couple of days this daily chart did show a sell position for XRP. Now, specifically talking about the weekly position, again the summary here is at a neutral position, and the RSI is also at a neutral position. So what we saw in the past, again the summary for the weekly position was at a sell as well. So things are looking somewhat stable for XRP. Now, talking about the monthly position, the summary here is a strong buy, moving averages at a buy, and the technical indicators at a strong buy, and the RSI at a buy position. So for the monthly position, at least things are looking very good for XRP. Now, having said all of this, I do want to remind my subscribers that regarding the short-term price movements, the biggest thing that impacts the price of XRP is the momentum of Bitcoin. We need Bitcoin to cross another milestone to bring all other cryptos up along with it. That is why the price of Bitcoin has to go above $40,000 for the price of XRP to reach basically a small all-time high. So guys, at least for the short term, things are looking somewhat stable for XRP. Now let's look more at the long-term price for XRP. Let's start off with the next 30 days. And if you have been following this Ripple lawsuit, and if you're a subscriber on my channel, you know that the next 30 days are very important for Ripple and XRP, basically the future of XRP at this point, because in the next 30 days we are going to know a lot more details on what is happening related to this lawsuit, especially related to the lack of a due fair notice. And if you guys follow me, I have said this many times on how important this is, because this is what Ripple is going to use if they ever go to summary judgment. And we recently got to know on May 21st in the discovery hearing that the Ripple attorneys are actually planning to file a summary judgment, which means that they want to go all in. They basically want to end this entire Ripple lawsuit, and in the summary judgment, Ripple is going to bring out its biggest defense. It's going to bring out the biggest guns, and that is this lack of due fair notice. In fact, this is such a huge thing that the judge actually talked about this in yesterday. To basically give a summary from Cointelegraph here, it says the ruling also pays special attention to the rule of fair notice, which requires the courts to construct an ambiguous criminal statute in favor of the defendant. In asserting this defense, Ripple claims that the SEC failed to provide market participants with fair notice that the regulator considered XRP a security. This is something Ripple has been saying for a very long time. In fact, they have been saying that, hey, for the past 8 years, you never said anything about XRP being a security or not, and out of nowhere you just bring this entire lawsuit against Ripple and XRP and basically destroying about $15 billion worth of market cap and hurting a lot of XRP investors in this entire process. So this is what Ripple is going to be talking about. Not only that, the biggest thing that we are going to know is the talk of a settlement. In fact, we have been seeing that a lot of people in the Ripple and XRP committee were saying that, hey, at the end of the May we are going to know if they are going to settle or not. But in my opinion, at that time I said I don't think we are going to know this early, but the month of June is going to be the month in which, if there is going to be a settlement, we'll definitely see in June, because both of these parties, they want to settle and they want to go back to things as normal. But the most important thing here is the criteria that the SEC is going to set out for Ripple on what it might happen. In my personal opinion, I think there might be a huge fine that Ripple is going to pay, and then it is going to walk away. And these all things are all of things we are going to know in the month of June. That is why the month of June is also very important for the price of XRP, because if we do see a settlement, the price of XRP is absolutely going to skyrocket, considering that we are somewhat in a bull run and it is ending. It seems like that. Well, a separate video on that, but again, month of June, very important. The real fun actually begins after this lawsuit, because after a couple of months this lawsuit is definitely going to end. And one of the biggest things that Ripple is setting its eyes on is going public. In fact, they have mentioned this multiple times. The CEO of Ripple himself has mentioned this in the past. He said that in the next 12 months you will see IPOs in the crypto blockchain space. We are not going to be the first and we are not going to be the last, but I expect us to be on the leading side. It's a natural evolution for a company. And only recently we got to find out from the SBI CEO, he said that after the current lawsuit, Ripple will go public. The current CEO wants to do it, Chris wants to do it. So this is something very important. Now, how is this related to the price of XRP? I made a video on this, but to reiterate some of those, to give you a basic summary here, that currently Ripple is making the majority of its money by selling XRP, and this puts a selling pressure on the price of XRP. But what happens after going public is that Ripple is going to generate enough cash to run its day-to-day business, and that is why Ripple will no longer need to sell XRP, and that is when the selling pressure is removed from XRP, which, as you guys already know, if there is no selling pressure on XRP, the price of that is definitely going to go up. But again, all of these things are going to happen after this Ripple lawsuit ends. So the question of the major breakout will actually happen after this Ripple lawsuit. In fact, we might see a major price increase for XRP before that, but to see those truly all-time highs, I think that will definitely only happen after this Ripple lawsuit. Now on to the thing you guys have been waiting for, and that is picking a winner for the 500 XRP giveaway. I wish I could give it to every single one of you who participated in the event. In fact, there were so many, I think more than 5,000 entries in this, and I tried to be as fair as possible, and I did say that I would be picking randomly. So the way the winner was picked was I picked a random comment from each of the videos since I announced the giveaway. So there was like 16-17 videos, and out of that I picked a single comment, and from those comments I picked another random comment. So we finally got the winner. So the winner is Adrian Abel. Congratulations, Adrian Abel 94. The comment was, thank you for such amazing content. I've been following you for a long time. Hopefully I can win the giveaway. Well, you did. Love from the Philippines. Thank you, Adrian, for the comment, and obviously congratulations to Adrian. Now moving forward, guys, this is not the end of the giveaway. In fact, in the next couple of days I have a really major announcement to my subscribers, and I think this is going to be absolutely amazing for a lot of my subscribers out there. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Well guys, that was the video for today. Let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section below. I do love reading all your comments, even though I might not be able to reply to as many of you, but I try to reply to as many as possible, and I do read a lot of them. And guys, thank you for such amazing comments that I have been receiving. The love and support that I get from you is really amazing, so thank you for all of that. And as always, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.